Hello, Ridgeway School. Today, me and Neve and Alba are going to do some baking. But before we start the baking, we've got to make sure the eggs are safe to eat. So in order to do this, Neve is going to do a little demonstration. She's going to pick an egg up and she's going to put it in some cold water. If the egg floats, it's a bad egg. If it sinks to the bottom, it's a good egg. So here goes the first one. And what does it do?
Sink.
It sinks. So is that okay to cook with?
Yes.
Yes, brilliant. Next egg. In it goes. And it sinks. Good egg, bad egg?
Good.
Good egg. And now the last egg. In it goes. And it sinks again. So them eggs are good for?
Cooking.
Thank you. Ridgeway School. Now today, me, Neve and Alba are going to demonstrate how to make American style pancakes. And for this, we need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of golden caster sugar, 25 milligrams of melted butter, which I've earlier melted, 200 mils of milk, which is here, and some vegetable oil for cooking in. So first of all, before we start to do any cooking, what do we need to do?
Wash our hands.
Which we have already done. So to start off with, Neve is going to put the 200 grams of self-raising flour into the bowl. Thank you, Neve. And now you need to put 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So put a big scoop of it, should be 1.5. Marvellous. In that goes. Fantastic. And now we need to put the golden caster sugar in. So now we need to get the tablespoon. So if Neve would kindly put a tablespoon of caster sugar in there, a big tablespoon. Brilliant. Now what you've got to do now, Neve, is now you've got to give it a good mix. Give it a good mix there and mix it all in. That's okay if it goes everywhere, it doesn't matter. That's it. Brilliant. So that is now the dry mixture sorted out, so we can move that away and put this over here for 1 second. Now is the fun bit. Now it's when Neve cracks the eggs, which we already tested, so they're nice and safe to eat. That's it, marvellous. And let's give a bit of flour to Alba as well. There you go.
Daddy, are we going to give it an egg to Alba?
No, we're just going to crack them ourselves. There's an egg shortage. Have you seen how hard it is to buy eggs in shops today? That's it. That's 1 egg. Go on, eggshell back in there. Number 2 egg. Brilliant. Brilliant cracking of the eggs from Neve. Go on, that's egg number 2. Go on, a big hit on the side. Fantastic. Right, eggshell in there. The last one now, and the eggshells in there, adds to the flavour. Have you got that? Let me just get that.
There's 2, there's 3.
Ah, that's all. Shh. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter, it'll still taste fantastically. The next one now, adds to the flavour, And it goes. Fantastic. So now please, can you now whisk the eggs up slightly, please? Neve? Let's go, Neve. Give me a wipe on my clean, freshly washed towel. And you want to whisk the eggs a little bit, please? Thank you very much. Good whisk in there. And now, that's it there. Fantastic. And what we've got to do now, we've got to get the spoon and we just need to make a little well in the middle, and then Neve is going to demonstrate how to put the eggs into the dry mixture. Right. Doesn't matter, keep going on. Keep going on. In goes the egg mixture.
Good. Is it Mum's bra?
That's in it. No, we didn't see a thing. We didn't see a thing, did we? That is one of the things about filming at home. You've always got to make sure there's nothing hanging about. So you give it a good mix there, Neve. Give it a good mix. Good mix. Get it all mixed up.
Was it Mum's bra?
Fantastic. Let's give it a good mix up. And should we put the milk in there now?
Not yet. Okay.
Give it a good mix. A little bit of milk at a time. And give it a good mix up. Right, pass it here, let's give it a good whisk. That's it. Around we go, around we go. Fantastic. Let's put the milk in now. Put a bit of milk in there and keep it mixing up there. Should we let Alba have a mix?
No, she will just pour it over.
Should we give it a go?
No.
Let's give it a go. Let Alba go and have a mix. Let's Alba go and have a mix. Here she comes. Alba, you're going to have a mix. Making pancakes! On YouTube! Yay! Right, we're going to give this a bit of a mix and put the eggs in, and hopefully very soon we'll be frying them. Okay, doke. Cooking. I've got a frying pan with a little bit of vegetable oil in. It's probably advisable for an adult to do this, and I'm just waiting for the pan to heat up. And now I've got the pancake mixture, and I'm just going to pour little small blobs inside. That's 1, 2, and 3. Right, and what the game is now is as soon as the bubbles start appearing on the pancakes, it's time to flip them. Right, so the bubbles are going there. A little bit of a shake underneath and flip them over. Flip them over. Last one. And then give it another 30 seconds on this side. Just so hopefully they puff up a little bit. And there they go. Just put the heat up a little bit there. They bubble there. Nice and soft, nice and fluffy. Beautiful. Right, and now they're cooked. They should be cooked now, so they can come out. And then we've just got to let them cool before they get tasted. So what do we think?
Mummy has it. Where's Mummy's? Oh. Ah. Gone.
And what do you think of them, Neve?
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Brilliant. Right. Bye for now. See you next time for another video.